Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Ethernet password on Windows. This is an updated guide. It is a quick and easy tutorial. So let's dive into it. This is a quick heads up by the way. Ethernet is wired, so it doesn't use a Wi-Fi style password. For instance, you can see mine here. Should be able to see it right here as the icon here. It has some rectangular icon, this one. It doesn't use a Wi-Fi style password, and don't be lied to by other tutorials. There's some password which you can just find right here. But if you're trying to find the network password, for instance, where the Ethernet has now been connected to, which should be the router, you now need to first click on the start menu here or press on the Windows key. Once inside here, just type in control panel like so and click on open to dive right into it. From all these options, just make sure that the view by is set to category to have such a view and click on network and internet. Inside here with between these two options, just choose network and sharing center. And now you can see mine is connected to Ethernet. Just tap on it and click on details. This is what we need to take note of by the way. Take note of the IP version 4 default gateway. You can see mine here 192.168.100.1. Copy that somewhere. Then go to your favorite browser, like mine here, and just search what you've just taken note of. Just 192.168.100.1, like that, and click on it. Here you have this first link, written router network. Click on it to log in, and you just need to log in to be able to get the Ethernet password. I'll just click on login right there, like so, and click on login again. And yeah, this is where you need now to feed in your router's username, password, and SN. These details can be found at the back of your router, like mine here. As you can see, mine, they are all here at the back. So I'll just feed in one by one. Once you're done filling in all the required details, click on login. Yeah, and this will bring you to the home page of your router. And yeah, this is where we have what we want, guys. You can see we have the Wi-Fi password here, which is actually the Ethernet password. You can see mine is actually this one. And we also have another one there. And yeah, you can just make sure and hide it and just copy it or place it somewhere, and you should be done thereafter. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.